Hello, and welcome back to Mindful AI Money Hacks. Have you encountered the frustrating message of unusual activity detected on Elevenlabs? If so, you're not alone. Many solutions out there might not work for everyone, but fear not, I'm here to simplify this for you so you can use Elevenlabs without those annoying character limits. So, let's get started. First things first, please note that this method is exclusively applicable to mobile phones only. Grab your mobile device, go to the Play Store, and download US VPN. Once installed, open the VPN application and connect to a country of your choice. Next, launch the Chrome browser and type Elevenlabs into the search bar. Log into the platform and start creating your script. Ta-da! It might just work. In rare cases where this method doesn't succeed, consider connecting to another country. Now let's explore the second solution. If the previous method hasn't resolved the issue, I recommend using Microsoft Clipchamp software, which is free. Open the software, select the Create Video option on the left-hand side, and then click on the Text-to-Speech option. On the right-hand side, you'll discover various options, including human-like voices that are available for free. By utilizing these solutions, you can overcome those frustrating Elevenlabs hurdles and use the platform without any limitations. Remember, the solution might vary depending on your device, network, or browser. Experiment with these methods, and you'll soon be scripting away without any limitations. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on Mindful AI Money Hacks. Thank you for watching.